Let's learn how you can create an account on Blackmagic camera application. So let's start by opening it. When you open it, this will be the first page you will see. So you just need to give access to everything. And click on continue. Now click on continue again. Click on settings. Scroll down and click on login in Blackmagic. Here you need to click on don't have account, sign up. Now you just need to fill everything right here. So when you filled everything, you just need to click on verify and wait for verification to apply, and then you will just need to hit sign up. And as you can see here, it says welcome to Blackmagic Cloud. Now you can just go back to login and log in with your new account. So that's it.